Oh, thank you. So you don't have to go to the counter, you can just direct go in. Let's see. Looks interesting. Wow. It's huge. We had not bad rest in the lounge, and then the food quality are not bad. I quite like the hummus, and then the champagne was great. What about you?
Yes, I also enjoyed myself in the lounge with a very good rest, followed by a little light bite for breakfast before we board the aircraft.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
I took the shower. The water is burning hot. They don't have cold water options. It's
Yeah.
only hot water.
Even
And then after you shower, you just sweat all the time.
even the water from the tap is actually hot. It's not
Warm.
even warm.
Hot.
Yeah, it's hot.
So yeah, that's about the lounge. Not necessarily need to take a long transit time like we do. And then we are heading to the gate now. It's at C9. Business class passengers is at zone 1. There's a special seating area for the priority seating. So it will be looks like this. Priority seating for the the business class passengers. It's very ideal that they separate the seat with the zone, so that there's a zone 1 for business class, zone 2, zone 3 and zone 4.
Thank you very much. Enjoy your flight.
Today my seat is at 2A, so I'm going to have the window seat.
Hello,
Good morning.
Please come on board. Welcome on board, sir. Mr. Hawk, it's a pleasure to have you on board. Welcome, please.
Hi, good morning.
Mr. Cook.
Hello, welcome on
Thank
board.
you.
Thank you so much. It's a pleasure to have you on board.
This is the Boeing 777-300ER. The seat depth is actually quite wide, so there's a lot of leg room. And in front of us is, of course, the TV screen. And there's a receptacle for you to maybe put your footwear, I believe, over here. And then by the side, there is some shelves for the periodicals, as well as 2 shelves below. And then coming to the seat proper, right, by the side there is also a slot for your personal belongings. And how do you deploy the tray? So you just have to slide up, push up, and then it's a bifold tray table. On the seat, there are blanket, a pillow, and the noise cancellation headset that has been presetted. Also, to our pleasant surprise, there is an amenity bag that is provided even for a 4-hour flight, so that is great. The reading light is over here. So 3 different intensity of brightness, and there is a privacy divider if you happen to be traveling alone. So it deploys out like that, and then so on the other side of the seat is the seat controls, where you can adjust the seat to recline it into a sun deck position or to a sleeping position. Since we have time on ground, we will show you what's in the amenity bag. It looks very nice. There is a pair of socks, an eye shade of a different design compared to the one in the Bricks amenity bag, and then a facial mist, a lotion or hand cream, a lip balm, and also a pair of earplugs. So this is what you get in the amenity kit. There's a power outlet where you have to actually lift up this to deploy it so that you can use the power outlet. And then on top of that, just to add, by the side of the chair, there is actually a remote control for your in-flight entertainment system. So it's the old remote control. We just discovered another surprise. So all you need to do over here is just ta-da! And there's a place where they kept a bottle of Evian water, and maybe this is for your water bottle.
I found another surprise. So there is a USB port in this business class seat. So it's not that old. And you can just charge the mobile phone, the USB port over here. And I believe this is the earplug for the noise cancelling earplug, and the LAN cable for internet. The crew will come to ask you one by one which welcome drink would you like to have, and then hot or cold towel you would like to have.
Yes, I think what is more important is that the purser actually personally come out to greet every passenger.
And they will remember our name and then greet us in our name.
My main course is here. I ordered the steel cardboards and the presentation is standard. Looks really nicely presented, and there's even a little flask of, if I'm not wrong, it's like a condensed milk or a sweetener of sorts for me to sweeten up the oats to my liking. Let me give a taste of how it's like. It's actually warm, so when you eat it down, it's actually very nice and wholesome breakfast. So I like it very much.
I have ordered the Greek yogurt for the breakfast starter. Come with the strawberry jam, Let me give it a try. It's very creamy. The texture is very nice. It's not very sourish, and it's not very thick. I like it very much because that the jam, the strawberry jam, is not too sweet.
The beauty about Qatar Airways is they allow something called the a la carte dining menu. So I actually ate the main course first before I ordered the starters. For the main course, I had the steel cut oats, and now I'm having the cold cuts as an ending to my breakfast. So it looks like that, very nicely presented. And besides a glass of champagne and some still water, I also ordered a cup of saffron chai to go along. I must say that the purser is very hospitable. Has got this very nice personal touches to all the little service renderings. So we really enjoy our flight very much. For the selection of cold cuts, there is actually a menta cheese, green olives, cherry tomatoes. I believe this is chicken and this is beef. And there's a hard-boiled egg with vegan caviar. It looks very good. Let me just try the egg with caviar first. Not bad. Very tasty. I like it.
I had ordered the Arabian breakfast. It smells super good, very spicy. It comes with lots of green, cucumber, tomato, mint, lettuce, feta cheese. And I can't remember the name of this bowl, but it had a lot of the bean, and then there's another bowl of the olive, and the last one, my favorite, is the pita bread. So it looks very delicious to me. I quite like a lot of bread. Let me try the bread with this first. Wow. This one tastes much better than the one I had in the lounge, and the pita bread is still piping hot after so long that I took video for Sean and then some photo blah blah blah. It's still piping hot. Very well done.
After breakfast, it's time to catch some rest before we land in Istanbul. I'm going to show you guys how to deploy the seat into a flat bed. So all you need to do is to press the bed icon button over here. Do a long press. And on top of that, right, there's actually a massage function for the seat. And it's over here with the wavy sign. So all you need to do is to press it and the massage function will be activated. You'll feel a little tingling sensation, I would say, and it helps to, I don't know, promote blood circulation and relax the muscle a little. I'm going to catch some sleep now, so see you later when we land in Istanbul.
The bolster, no, it's not bolster. It's a blanket. It will be wrapped up like this. It's actually kind of quite huggable. It's very comfortable. And Sean particularly liked the blanket very much. He was saying that the blanket is very comfortable. And then usually we drink a lot of alcohol, then we get very warm all the time, so we don't really use the blanket. But yeah, I think it's doing wrap up like this is a very nice way for people like me that I need bolster all the time, that I can hug it. It's like very comfortable. It was a very comfortable ride, I have to say that.
Yes.
I never expect it can be so comfortable. I have enough time to finish a lot of food and watch movie, and Sean had time to manage to catch a nap.
Sleep. Yes, so we have landed at the new Turkish International Airport and we are waiting for the aero bridge to connect to the aircraft. Once the aircraft door is open, we'll go out and collect our luggage and clear immigration. Once again, I think we need to thank Qatar Airways for the great hospitality. It was an exceptional flight. The flight purser is Hiram is very welcoming. He actually encouraged us to take footages to help, and he thanked us to help him to publicize Qatar Airways. So the entire flight experience for us as YouTubers is actually very pleasant.
Plus, he also like okay for us to take his
Yes.
photo and his video of him.
Yes, and he actually encourages us, and then he makes sure that the table is set in the proper manner for us to actually take the video. So that is a first for us, because most of the airlines will have shunned this gesture from us. So yes, so we are going to clear customs and collect our luggage, and we will share with you our journey to the city centre in a short while.
Thank you very much. So this gentleman is Kiram. Thank you, Kiram. Bye bye. Holy mama! This airport is huge. It's like endless walking. But I believe that we are reaching very soon. And we have been walked about 5
to 10
minutes.
minutes.
Yeah.
It's spanking new though.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
You can still smell that there's a very new
Oh,
air.
this way.
Oh yeah, we are here. We are finally at the luggage carousel. Our carousel for today is 25, and this is really interesting because most of the airports in the world would not need to. Actually, you do not need to pay to get a luggage trolley, but over here there's a deposit fee of either 5 Turkish lira or 1 euro to get a luggage trolley. Okay, we'll be waiting for our luggage now.
The washroom is very clean, spacious,
okay.
and no bad smell. Arrival exit is very simple, very small, and then there's a lot of people holding the signage. If you have any booking with a travel agent, and then you are able to find their logos.
Yes.
So some of them, they actually hold the signage on the right hand side, and then most of them will be on the left hand side. This is the company that I booked for my transfer. It will be just right over here. When you come out from the arrival hall and then turn to the right, and then you can see that's full of the airport transfer services. It's very impressive. And this is the one that we are going to. Hi! This white color bike coach should be our car. This one? Oh, okay. Hi! Hello. It's very spacious right over here. Check it out. So you happy with my arrangement?
Very happy.
So for such a big vehicle, and it's only 50 euro transfer from the airport to the hotel.
Yes. It takes about maximum 1 hour according to the staff. And just for your info, we have been traveling for 24 hours.
And then because Sean had not showered for more than 24 hours, the very first activity that I'm going to do will be go to the Turkish bath to let people to wash out his dirt.